Carp. Carp alert. Oh shit! Oh my god, he freaked out. That's a big one. Shit. Oh crap. All right, well, I gotta do something. I gotta do something because he's gonna get me in there. I don't want that. Oh boy, he's got me in there. Oh, we're out. Don't let him break you off. He's just taking me through everything. Oh shit. I loosened up on him. Alright, we gotta land this fish now. Oh, we got him. Alrighty. He's a big tired boy. Not my biggest of the day, actually. There he is. Just do that. Whew. That was just madness. Ugh. It's just like hook the fish and worry about landing him later. My fly is actually alive. I'm surprised because that was crazy.